Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to blur your background or even blur your picture in Pixlr. So it's quite simple, all you have to do is follow along and without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's tap into the app itself. And suppose I want to blur something in this picture, right? So first thing, let's find out the blur option here. You have to go to tools and there you can see blur option. In the third line, let's tap in there and it is automatically blurred the absolute me. But okay, let's say I don't want that car image to be blurred out. I want it to pop up and I want to blur the background. Okay, so in that case you can tap in the circle thing and you can place that circle covering the area of a car. So let's do that and see how the background is blurred, but so you can also do linear like this. See how the background has been blurred. There's also color boost. You can boost the color of this. So if you want to blur the whole thing, then you can go ahead and do this. But if you want the any of the object to pop up, not to blur, then you can simply tap in circular or the linear and put that thing wherever you don't want it to be blurred. So this is pretty much how you blur in Pixlr. It's quite easy. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.